Hey guys, here's a cool fan I got. This is a Canarm CP56 for 56 inches, and this one is unusual because an industrial fan, ceiling fan. Got this at it's kind of like a Home Depot. It's about like 20 minutes from me. It's called Hebe's, and they sell like fans, lights, furniture, and not furniture, like home. It's basically like a home goods store. But here it is. It's in chrome. It's like basically like a mirror of everything. It's got a beehive canopy, kind of like a moss. Here's the top. Thing's really low. I know it's pretty dangerous because these are like finger choppers because they're so thin. And these things, blade pitch isn't really all that steep at all. So, but it still moves some good air. I have a separate wall control for this, so I have the wire that goes through there to all the other fans around here. Then it goes through the box, and it goes to the end con over there, and to the other fans over there. But I wired this wire that goes here. It goes to the wall control, and then plugs in right there. So here it is. So put on to low speed. I'm 5'2", and this thing probably made about like 5-6 inches above my head. So yeah, interesting. With the light being right there, it kind of like shines against the ceiling a little bit. This fan is from October of 2019. You know, I got it today. It was still, I guess it was like one of their older stock fans, maybe. But I don't know. So there's low speed, went up to medium low. It wobbles on this speed. So it starts to wobble a little bit. I like this speed because I feel like this is a better, it's basically like a better low speed that you can just use like regularly, like a functional low. Blades do kind of like they stick up a bit. I guess to spread the air around more. Sorry, I'm making like an air whipping sound. I'll move up to medium. That's where the air whipping sound comes in. Sounds really like an airplane. This thing's scary. This thing probably can kill someone, especially with how low it's going, how low it sits. I'm up to high speed. feel all the air just sucking right into it. This thing really sounds like it's just about to take off. It's loud too. Off. So yeah, that is my 56-inch Canarm CP56 Industrial. So yeah, that's it. Bye.